One of the benefits of your membership with the Little River Chamber of Commerce is direct access to the Chamber website, and that includes listing your job openings. To do this, we're going to log into the Chamber website, so littleriverchamber.org. We're going to look underneath the Members tab, and we're going to find Member Login. Your username is most likely your email address or whatever username password combo you created when you first joined the chamber. If you haven't created your password yet, then you should check your email inbox for your welcome email from the chamber, and it has a really long URL in it, or it says click here to create login. But generally this would be one of the first emails you would have gotten from the chamber. If you can't find it and you haven't created your password yet, you will need to contact us directly. You can do that by giving us a call at 843-249-6604, and we will send you a new email that will allow you to create your unique password. Once you've done that, you're just going to log in, and the screen should look very different, and that's how you know you're in the right place. Most of the things that we do for adding content to the Chamber website are going to be underneath the shortcuts bar, with the exception of events, which is at the top. Hopefully you've already watched the video for updating your business directory listing, and most of that information is using the drop down for account settings, company info. But like I said, this video we're going to show you how to do job postings. So we're going to look on the left hand side underneath shortcuts and find job postings, and this is what we're going to click on. This is showing us currently the job openings that are available on the Chamber website, and we're just going to find the blue button that says Add Job Posting. You will notice that beside it, it says Manage Job Postings. So yes, you can actually edit or update past job positions that you have listed. So we're going to start by clicking the Add Job Posting. And most of this should be pretty self-explanatory. What I tend to recommend for people do is that they start out in a Word document or whatever is easiest for you. That way you have something you can copy and paste to multiple sites if relevant. For title, I would give it the actual job title or thing that people would be actively searching for. That is a specific role. The description, you would copy and paste your job description and any other information that you want them to know. If you don't want job seekers calling you, you should put that. If you do, you want to give them the correct contact information. If there's a deadline, go ahead and put a deadline in there. Any little thing that you want people to know. Meta description it's actually telling us it's going to be a very, very short summary, and this is often going to show up when people find this listing on Google or social media or anywhere else. So you want it to be readable. We're not going to put a bunch of words in like keyword stuffing. We're going to make it readable by a person. Now they will still click through to read the whole thing if they're interested, so you don't need to stuff everything into it. But you can start out with something simple like your business name is hiring, whatever the job title is, and maybe you can say main duties include, and like pick 1 to 2 things, whatever actually fits. This is a very limited area. It says it only has 320 characters max, so you're not going to be able to fit but so much. But it's just to give people a general idea before they click through. Display posting date. If you're going to publish it today, you can click and find today's date, and that's fine. Some people actually pre-publish seasonal jobs, or if you know you'll be hiring in like 2 weeks or whatever the date might be, you can preemptively go ahead and choose that date here. The category is up to you. It is whatever is the most relevant category for the position you're hiring. Contact name should be pretty obvious. Again, just keep in mind that this is public and this is the information that the potential job seeker is going to be looking at. And then active dates is odd. I'll let you know this is the oddest part of the entire page. So for active dates, you can't just click the start and stop. When you click, it's actually choosing a full week. If you're a visual person, you can kind of look and see what I'm clicking on and what's happening. So no matter what day of the week that you click, it's going to select the whole week. So if I want this to run from July 14th to 30th, I can either just include the full week between those dates, or if I'm okay with it going a little bit longer or shorter, I can choose the other weeks, but I can't end it on a specific day. And then if you're open to leaving it up longer, you can click next and choose the weeks of the following month as well. And then if you're not sure, you can look over on the right underneath active dates. It will show you all of the dates that your job opening will be listed on the chamber website. So if for some reason you were just to take out this middle week, the opening would show on the website on these days, not this week, but then it would show back up again this week. But like I said, that's the hardest part. For image, you would usually just put your company logo. You would just simply click Add Image, choose File, and it would open up a browser folder from your computer. You would choose the selected image off of your computer and then just hit Done. Once you've filled everything out on this page, you would just hit Submit for approval. This would get sent to the chamber staff, and 99% of the time we're going to approve it because we want to help promote your business. Occasionally, if we see something really, really odd, we might reach out and be like, hey, I don't think you meant to do this. But that, like I said, that's very, very small percent of the time. So I hope that helped. Be sure to check out the other videos on how to make the most use out of your chamber membership.